We are on day 1 of the Oregon Challenge. As far as we could figure out, the Oregon Challenge is Ashland to Cascade Locks in 2 weeks. That's 14 days. This is day 1. So we're hoping to get that done. And to do that, we've got to do 30 plus miles every day. We've got all our packages mailed ahead, so that should save us some time and get us in and out of towns pretty quick.
I wish I had the world to give you, baby.
It's 9:59 and we've done 10 miles. So that's a 10 by 10. We're gonna count it. You!
To tell you bedtime stories or to chase away the monsters from your mind. You know I can only give what I have. I'm sorry.
We made it 20 miles by 2 p.m. Yay!
Spinning around the living room all dressed up.
The shopping cart in Ashland is the best grocery store I've ever been to in my life. And I'm so happy I went there because they have dehydrated hummus. And I was very skeptical on the flavor of how it would taste. But oh my God! It's really nice hummus. As you can see, Dave has made some. He's putting it on a beautiful flour street taco. And he's topping it with some dill pickle. Chips.
Not just dill pickle.
Well, I mean, both would be good.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is gourmet.
Spent a little bit too long at that last break. It was just a really nice, comfy spot. And that means we really have to hustle now to make our target for today, which is 30 plus. We definitely have to make 30 because that's where we want to have our dinner. And we might have to go to 32, 35, 36. We'll see what we can do. But 30 has to happen.
We were thinking of walking on further after dinner, but then we had a look at the next campsite and it's only half a mile away. I'm like, okay, we're not going to camp there. What's the next one? Next one is 16 and a half miles away. So
that would take us up to 47 miles for the day.
Yeah, it's 20 to 8. I don't want to do another 16 and a half. And we're at a really nice camp spot. It's got hot showers, so I think I'm going to spend the last half hour of sunlight taking a hot shower. Hey guys, it is day 98 on the PCT. I just got stung by a bee or a wasp or something twice on my ankle in a place that has already been stung by a bee or a wasp last week. I don't know what it is about my ankle, but they really like it, and it really freaking hurts. It's really put me in a bad mood. This is not how I want to wake up. This is not how I want to do lots of miles today. I can feel my foot swelling up. I'm really not happy. Also, our battery bank is pretty much dead, and both of our phones are like on half battery, and we won't be able to charge them for the next 2.5 days. So this is probably the last video.
Everything changes every which way. You got to hold on to what you need. And if I hide myself away, how could I go with the world away? We can trust each other, always make things right. What is more important than loving someone?
Look at this, guys. Oregon has laid down the red carpet for us. Woo! So it's raining, and it's all Dave's fault because he sent his rain gear in a box ahead. This is what we get, Dave, when you play with fire. Fire. We set up our tarp really, really high. Rained all through the night.
The streak is over.
So sad. You can see the fog on the lake this morning.
We did all of NorCal and all of the Sierra and a big chunk of the desert without a tarp being set up. Cowboy camping every day. And now the streak is over.
Just a little bit of a small recap of yesterday. We hit a road at around 25 miles in during the day. And we got trail magic. There was this absolutely wonderful lady. I think her name was Cassidy, maybe? I don't know. She's just a gorgeous person. So she pulled up a big red truck and had all of these like gazebo things and lots of chairs and so much food. And she's like, welcome, welcome. It's raining, it's miserable. And I thought, today's the day I need to do trail magic. Like, you're so sweet. It was really lovely. She's like, oh, you're a veggie? That's awesome. Here, we're kind of running low on all of the fruits and veggies, so I'm just gonna take all of them and give them to you. So you had lovely fresh peppers and baby carrots and sweet potato chips and cherry tomatoes, hummus. You had some mandarins. Oh, she was so sweet. And she also brought like all of this like good trail food for everyone. Like people were taking out rice-a-ronis and like Idaho and potatoes and all of that kind of stuff. She had like big trash compactor bags. I took one of those because the plastic bag I had as a wet weather bag, mine had holes in it, so now I've got a new one. Yay!
Day 3.
Day 3, the Oregon Challenge. I don't think we're actually going to finish it, but we'll see.
Finish it.
Day 100.
Oh my god! Nice one, baby.
That means 27 days to go, according to our plan. We'll see if that works. But yeah, we did. Sorry?
We're still running a little bit behind.
We'll catch up. Today we've already done, I think, 10 miles-ish.
Yeah, something like that.
And we got to go to town, pick up a package, charge some batteries. That might take a little bit of time. It's always such a drag. You've got everything done and you're just waiting for like 51%, 52%. Ugh. We have a sign here that says that there's some detours. We have to figure out what that means. I guess we'll have plenty of time in town to figure out what that means. So you can have a look at the sign here.
Yeah. Swing sign. Hey guys, so we just did our almost mile walk down Highway 62, I think. I don't know, 55 maybe, down into the Mazama Village store and cafe at Crater Lake. We picked up our box, we charged our phones and Garmin and everything, and then we got out. Nice and quick, walked back up the road, and now we're just about to head back on trail. I think Dave is throwing out some trash at a bin at the trailhead just there, and then we'll get going. I'm really excited to get up close to Crater Lake. So here we are.
If you see a mountain lion, oh sorry.
Here we are on the PCT, and I think our hike stops here and goes along the rim trail up this way. We've got some warnings. What were you saying, Dave?
If you encounter a mountain lion, take the following actions. Shout in a loud voice and wave your arms. Look as large and threatening as possible.
Give us a air hostess kind of show, huh?
Maintain eye contact with the lion. Do not crouch down. Throw sticks or rocks at the lion. No! Right past the camera.
Oh my god.
Pick up or restrain small children or dogs to keep them from panicking and running. Never run.
Don't do it.
If a lion attacks, fight back.
Hacha, hacha.
And then report the sightings to the park.
Okay, we should probably...
Attack from a mountain lion is extremely unlikely, but
See
use of the
that
above
one.
recommendations.
Whoever named like all of the features here in Crater Lake is a total legend. For one, Crater Lake sounds pretty cool. Two, this rocky outcrop is called the Watchman, and there's this like ridgy flat bit over there that's called the Devil's Spine, and this island is called Wizard Island, and the top of it there's a depression, and it's called the Witch's Cauldron. What? Good morning. It is day 101 on the PCT. I can't get out of my head 101 Dalmatians, which was my favorite childhood movie. Yay, 101. All I want is puppies. I'm waking up super thankful, more than usual. Usually I'm thankful that, I'm privileged enough to be here and to be able to do this kind of thing. But today I'm especially thankful to, I don't know who it is or who they are. I'm sure there's multiple. There are a couple of people out there maintaining 2 water caches that are helping my life so much right now. So I didn't really spot a name at the first one, which is directly after the Tahoe Rim Trail, which is totally dry. There's one just set up in a car park right at the end in some bear boxes. Thank you very much. And then there should be another one, a giant one on a dirt road about 9 miles away from there, which we're starting to walk to today. Which is breaking up like a giant 20 plus mile stretch that is otherwise dry. Thanks guys, total legends. So now that we're nearing the end of the trail, the mile markers have changed a little bit. Instead of going, 100 miles, 1100 miles, whatever, we've gotten a countdown now, which is super exciting. So now we've got 800 miles left. Oh my goodness.